Hi everyone, today we are making a crossbody bag. Ba-boom! I know what you're thinking, Helene, we just made a crossbody bag pattern. You would be correct. Originally I was going to actually have a video that was called 2 bags in 2 hours, and it was going to combine the last video with this video. Then I got tired and bored of editing, so here we are. I'm not sure where I'm going with this, but the point was that this is another simple project you can make in an afternoon. But before we get into it, I'm adding a new segment. I don't have a name for it, but let's go with people making awesome stuff with our patterns. Super catchy. All right, here is Jennifer, who made our duffel bag pattern. That is a sick looking duffel bag. Love the two-tone colors. We've got Low Tide Leather, who also made our duffel bag pattern. Shout out to Low Tide Leather. I feel like he was one of the OGs of leathercraft social media. We have Totes and Jam, who made our totes. And obviously totes are their jam because that is an awesome looking tote. Good work, that looks great. And then we have newjleather.ca, who made our minimalist crossbody bag pattern. The craftsmanship on this one is real nice. They did a great job with the details. If you guys ever make any of my patterns, please tag me at Springbok Craft Co. I love see your work. It actually says I love see your work on the script here. Okay. I need a coffee. Okay, so before we make this bag, 3 important things. Number 1, the pattern is free for the first week. If you're watching this beyond a week of this video coming out, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more patterns. Number 2, the second important thing is that the free pattern comes in a large format print file. So you're going to need Adobe PDF and you're gonna have to use the poster option to print it. If you do not wanna mess around with Adobe PDF and the poster option, we have a print ready version that's in A4 and letter size, available on our pattern store for a heavily discounted price. Okay, the third important thing is hand sewing and skiving. Can you hand sew this? Yes, you can hand sew this. You can hand sew most things. It'll just take a lot longer. I used to hand sew everything. It'll just take a little bit longer. With regards to skiving, obviously it would be really nice to have a bell skiver. Bell skivers are awesome and very helpful and an awesome addition to any workshop. I also get that they're expensive and not everybody, especially hobbyists, would have no reason to purchase a bell skiver. So with regards to skiving, you can either 1, hand skive, which I am terrible at. I used to have 6 fingers and now I have 5. So actually that would make me really good at hand skiving. I am sorry if you have 6 fingers and I have offended you. Anyways, if you don't like hand skiving, the second option would be to go down to a thinner, stiffer leather. So like a 3-ounce stiff tempered leather would probably do the trick. I've done that in the past. It doesn't give you nice, crisp turned seams, but it'll work. The full material list for this build is in the description below. I have done far too much talking, so let's get making. All right, let's see how long it takes me to make this bag. Let's go. Seven minutes and 21 seconds so far. So it took about 10 minutes and 30 seconds to cut everything, and now we have to skive everything. We are at 19 minutes and 23 seconds, and that's skiving every piece we have here and see things. So here we go. Okay, sorry, let's do it again. Unfold that. okay time here. It's just been 21 minutes. I use so much of this tape. For Pac-Man. Alright. Should equal this. So I'm gonna go and sew this piece on. Okay. All right, so while that dries, I'm gonna sew this piece up. This is the current time elapsed. So we're gonna sew this down. All right. All right, let's sew this up. This. This one. Sew this. Our lines here. And it's perfect. So I'm gonna sew this up. It's time. So, we're done. yeah, so obviously I didn't add the last step, which is to add a strap. I do not enjoy making straps. I literally just cut a piece of leather and then attach 2 swivel snaps to it because I am that lazy. I encourage you to be better than me and make nicer straps than me. But yeah, there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you in the next video where we definitely won't be making a crossbody bag. I think. See ya.